right, more rollout here on PCTV. Got a Ranchero leader, 6-cylinder, lake light. 64, 6-banger. All right, another one out. Let's roll out. There's the big block develop. This thing is woo! Yeah! Gotta love it. Beautiful car. All right, Lee. Howdy go.
Sir.
Take care, buddy. Lee is out of the house. Surf City Classics representing the night at Garden Grove. Lee and Rete is out in his custom tube chassis coupe. Add to the bone. Got two. And there goes Lee. All right, guys, rollout has begun in full swing. Here comes Mouse and Mary.
SCC.
SCC in the house. It's all SCC tonight. We got Bruce, Gary. Thank you, sir. Good night. Love you, brother.
Take care.
Take care, SCC.
SCC.
We SCCing. Beautiful truck. Love
Thank
it.
you, brother.
Take care, man. Have a good night. Great wheels, great stands. You got it all going on. Soft tonneau coverage, correct for the day. You know, a good soft tonneau cover definitely looks better than a hard any day of the week when it's done right. He's got the deluxe trim. Very sweet. Very sweet. And no brand. Okay, there we go. Hey. All right. Have a great night. Thank you. Fun night. Rollout. Everybody's in a rush to get out tonight. Here goes y'all. Man. Comes Blacktop Magazine's pick of the night. This is the MX. This thing's very, very sweet. Very unusual. Thanks for bringing her in and congrats. PCTV. They'll be on YouTube later tonight. Good night. Yeah, we didn't see Bob tonight. That was a great C10. Very clean truck. Hey, take care, Scott. Nice truck. Dude, those are actually really cool Toyotas. All right, here goes the three-wheeler. Nice 5 window. There go the Latin gents. That's awesome. Roger, good night, brother. So quick. And that would be the Latin gents that left the building. Good night, take care. There you go, love these guys. All right, brother. We love you, man. Take care. All right, there's Montclair. Been bringing us here forever. I remember we started 1999. How you doing tonight? All right, here we go. We got the same year truck.
But yours doesn't have a hand whoops in it, though.
No, sir. No, sir. All right, Hooligans out. Take care. SCC in force. All right, brother.
Good work.
Keep on trying. Look at those nice Nice wheels, like it. T-bucket's pretty sweet. Good night, Mike. Nope, another one if I wouldn't take care. More the Hooligans. I hear the train whistle. Good night, Rod. Take care. Night, Judy. Chaka. Good night.
Yeah.
All right. Take care. Nice, Effie. Oh, there goes John. All right, John. Peace out, bro. And that's the Paradise Firefighter right there. That is one bad 181. And here comes the Hemrod. I recognize the train whistle. Good night, brother man. Hey, I grabbed my backpack and we'll see you soon.
Yeah, we'll quarantine cruise it.
I think so.
Yeah.
All right.
To San Diego.
Have a good night, man. Love you both. Take care. Nice. Hey! SCC! It's all SCC tonight. Nice stanger. Remember Dano. Dano's trial is this week. Call for Dano. Good night. Here come the bumblebees. All the bumblebees. Viper, Challenger, and a Hellcat. Here comes the Kaiser. The Kaiser Permanente. Woo, the Kaiser comes. Nice. See ya, man. There goes the Gia. Oh, and the DeLorean. 88 miles an hour. Oh, I hear world famous alley cat. There goes Chad. Good night, Chad. Got the top down tonight. Looks good. Perfect night for it too. Oh yeah. I like it with the top down. It looks really good. Then again, what convertible doesn't look good with the top down? Now when they look as good when the top is up, that's really pulling it off. Alright, there you go. Good night. Hey, good night. Love that 44 convertible. This thing's beautiful too. A lot of louver work, very custom. And the world famous alley cat. Take care, Ray. Let you go, it's green. Okay, bud, take care. There goes Ray. World famous alley cat in the house. Right behind him. Oh, see you, bud. A lot of SCC tonight. Huge SCC night. What? Nice little box body. On the old Futura LN7 platform, Fox Body Mustang. That's what they built the Fairmont on too. It's funny how they multi-platform all this stuff. But yeah, that brought the Fairmont was on that. A lot of sports on that chassis. All right, 57 Chevy. Head down. Dano Live. Dano Live stickers running live. Oh, there's that 60. She's a beauty. Nice. One best truck at Gary. That's 60. Well, guys, I think I'm going to jump in my old 74 C10 and get on home. I get to pick up my son tomorrow. Hope everybody has a wonderful weekend. There's Willie's Camaro, and that's it. Garden Grove, PCTV, out.